Make Peco Paste, which is made basically with corn flour. It is a petal paste made with corn flour for high humidity climates, hot and humid climates, and this is also very translucent. So for that we need corn flour, which is going to be 1/4 cup. Then we'll be needing Tylose powder. Then usually what I do is I combine CMC and Tylose together. So both I'm going to use. Then we'll be needing liquid glucose. I'm using Purix brand. Right. So then we have a little amount of, either you can use oil or you can use margarine or whichever you feel. This is a little bit of butter, very little, that is I need only half a teaspoon of it. Then we need the measuring cups. This is 1 cup and this is 1/4 cup. Then we'll be needing water. Once you have all the ingredients together, the first thing to do is measure the ingredient. So it is 1/4 cup of corn flour. So I'm just taking it in a bowl. I hope you're able to see, yes. So it is almost 1 cup. 1 cup of corn flour. And I am taking 1/4. This is a 1/4 measure. You can see? Yeah. So 1/4 corn flour. Okay. This, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take at least 2 tablespoons of it out for kneading. I have to knead the dough afterwards, so I'm just keeping this separately. So this will be approximately 1/8 cup of corn flour. Next is we'll be needing the liquid contents. So this is going to be 1/4 cup of liquid glucose. Okay, I have to put the Tylose in this. So let me put the Tylose, finish up the Tylose, and we'll go to the liquid one. So this is the Tylose powder which I am using. Right. This is what was available in the market. So I am putting 1 tablespoon. This is the tablespoon measure. So mixing the first dry ingredients. Okay. Usually you can use CMC also, but we don't know the power of it. So this is almost like 10,000 units. So this is already 1 teaspoon. This is 1/4 teaspoon of Tylose. I'll just mix it gently and leave it. Mix it gently and leave it aside. Now we have to do the wet ingredients. For that we'll be needing 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of liquid glucose. Okay. And little bit of butter. So I am taking a fresh bowl for that. I'll take 1/4 cup. This has to be heated till it comes to boil. So I'm going to use the microwave for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Once it boils, so with the boiled water only, boiled wet ingredients only, the corn flour and the Tylose will get cooked. Okay. Right. Now I think it's a little bit better for you. Little distance, yeah. You can also use Crisco and any shortening for that matter. So this is 1/4 cup of water, you can see. Right. Then I have 1/4 cup of liquid glucose. So I'm just taking this and I'm going to measure in this only. Yeah. You can see this is 1/4 cup of liquid glucose. I'm using Purex brand. Let me put it here so that you can see. Yeah. Right. So I'm going to put it in this now. Yeah. This is going to go into the microwave for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm putting a little bit of shortening in this, almost like 5 grams or 1 teaspoon, so that it will get melted in this. I'll leave a little. As you can see, this is almost boiled. You can see the bubbles. So what I'm going to do is, see the bubbles here. Yeah, you can see, or yeah, you can see the bubbles, and it is melted properly. You can see it's completely liquid. You can use vegetable oils instead of Crisco. So I'm going to put it in this. Okay. The boiling part, make sure only you have to put it in the corn flour. And mixing it. You crush it properly. The liquid glucose is a little hot, so I can't touch it with my hand. If need be, you can use a little bit of warm water to mix it completely, because as you keep it for almost let's say a day or 2 days, it's going to dry out a little. Okay, now I can mix it with hand. You can see it's all coming together. And there's also a cheaper version of this, cheaper version of gum paste. It's pretty hot. This needs a little bit of water, so I'm going to use a little bit of water to bring it all together. So a few drops, not much. So you can go for 1/4 plus 2 till 2 tablespoons. That's what I've given in the recipe. Yeah, 1 more tablespoon I can do. Right. Depending on the climatic condition, this can be stored almost till 3 months. Okay, it all depends on the climatic condition. It will stay good for almost 3 to 4 months. Now this all come together, so I'm going to put it on the mat. Yeah. This is a little crumbly, so I'm going to mix it properly to make it into a dough. Sorry. This was the vessel which we used for heating the water and the liquid glucose. So I'm just removing this. A little bit of wetness is there in the just removing. Now to bring it all together, I'm using a little bit of butter or a little bit of oil or Crisco, anything you have. This has to be kept for at least 12 hours or keep it for overnight. Then you can use it. Knead it properly. Right. So it's moving the mat. You can use a mixer also to do it, but I would advise you to knead it at least for 2 to 3 minutes after taking out from the mixer. See, done. You can see how soft it is, and you can see this is done. Put it in a bag and cover it.